Welcome to my channel. In this video we will create a configuration file to use it as a backup. So we can use this command, save configuration, and we need to give it a name, SMS for example, config, and this file needs the extension of tgz. Press enter here. Now we can go to the expert mode to take a look at that command. So here it is my home directory, so ls. So this is our SMS config tgz file. So if we take a look at our backup here, so now because the file is saved on my home directory, so we can't see it here under backups, system backup, so we can't see it here. So if we want to see it, so we need to move it to this folder, and we can do that by doing as follows. So mv sms config tgz, and then the target, so var log cp backups, like this, and then we can go to cd this folder ls. So now we can see our file here. Back to the GUI here. So if we update this, back to the backups, so now we can see the file is here. So this is a very simple trick to do the configuration backup. In the next video we will import this configuration file. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.